Sadrudin Damji, and I am the CEO of Haste Trading LLC, which was established since 1982. We are the first people to have imported the manure compressors from France back in 1982, and we are very happy to say today it is now bought over by Danfoss, and therefore we are now also representing Danfoss at that level. Basically, since 1982, the area has changed drastically and development has been going on, and hopefully it will go on for the next few years, and we would like to be the partners with Danfoss in doing the business that today is, alhamdulillah, flourishing. At the moment, we're very happy. We have in the past and we continue to be present in the Big Five, and hopefully things will grow for us through the participation in Big Five. We are very happy this time. We have sort of focused ourselves onto the new product that we're really aggressively marketing, and that is AKO from Spain. They are the digital controls of the refrigeration, and hopefully that also will grow hand in hand with Danfoss.